Hey guys, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change out a fuser on a Xerox AltaLink B8090. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shut off the machine, power it completely off. And then once you do that, we're going to open the left side cover. And then inside here on the machine side is your R3, that's your fuser. And down at the bottom of that fuser is two little orange knobs. And we're going to turn those knobs to loosen them. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going lefty-loosey. Unscrew them all the way until they just kind of hang in place. They should stay on the fuser itself. They'll just be real loose. Now, reach up above those knobs and you'll see two little orange stickers with black handles. You're going to grab those handles and slide it out, up, and out of the way. And there's your fuser. Alright, now you're going to take your new fuser, go back down to the fuser area, and there's two little metal shelves. Push hard on it up against the machine with your thumbs. Don't push too hard. And then you're going to screw those little orange screws below the handles, and you'll screw those two little knobs down all the way until they're tight and they stop turning. When I'm all done, I like to grab the handles of the fuser and just give it a little shake, make sure everything's in place and nothing's loose, and then close that left side cover. Make sure your rear and front latch get latched all the way, and power up your machine and you should be good to go. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click here. Hey everybody, from all of us here at the Printing Workshop, we'd like to say thank you for taking a look at our videos. If you have any questions about this model or any other Xerox models, leave us a comment. And as always, remember, like and subscribe.